In manufacturing, success is built on consistency. When your workforce is ready to grow with you and stay with you, it's easier to plan for the future. For companies seeking this stability in Mexico, Mazatlan stands out. At Tetakawi's Mazatlan manufacturing community, we provide access to a stable and scalable workforce. Within a 30-mile radius of our community lies a population of over 500,000 individuals. With a median age of 31, our workforce is dynamic, energetic, and ready to drive industrial growth. Supported by 21 academic institutions, including 8 universities, Mazatlan has over 29,000 students currently enrolled in higher education. Nearly a fifth of these students focus on engineering and manufacturing disciplines, ensuring a steady pipeline of fresh, skilled talent to meet your needs. By collaborating closely with these institutions, Tetakawi helps you source top talent and develop a sustainable workforce ecosystem. If you're looking to build a workforce that grows with your operation, one that's committed for the long term, Mazatlan is where it happens. Tetakawi is here to make that growth simple, stable, and scalable.